Here we have a frozen 2008 Rheem heat pump at Grissom High School running in heat mode. As you can see, it's currently snowing. The model number is 13PJL42A01. Serial number is 7691 in 260809 615. Here's a look at the front here. Fan. You can see down inside it that is in fact frozen over in there. Or it's going to go into defrost soon. Oh, there's the green label. But yeah, we got snow. The unit hasn't defrosted yet as far as I can tell. Not sure if it's going to soon. But yeah, 2008 Rheem heat pump at Grissom High School is currently frozen over, and it's also running in heat mode during a snowstorm. Over and out.